How to use Tableau Analytics platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Tableau is one of the most powerful analytics platforms, but beginners often get overwhelmed and make costly mistakes. You won't believe how many users struggle because they don't understand Tableau's core strengths. The first mistake is importing unclean or unstructured data. Tableau can handle massive datasets, but messy data leads to inaccurate dashboards. Always clean and format your data before connecting it. For instance, combining multiple CSV files without standardizing column names will create errors in visualizations. Another common error is overcomplicating dashboards. Beginners try to display everything at once, creating cluttered visuals that confuse rather than inform. Instead, focus on key metrics and use filters or drill downs to explore details. A clear, simple dashboard showing sales trends, top products, and regional performance is far more actionable than a cluttered multi-chart view. Calculated fields are another area where beginners stumble. Tableau allows advanced calculations, but improper formulas can skew insights. Always double-check formulas for accuracy, especially when calculating percentages or aggregations. For example, calculating profit margin incorrectly can mislead business decisions. Ignoring interactivity is also a mistake. Tableau supports filters, tooltips, and parameters that let users explore data dynamically. Beginners often produce static dashboards that limit user engagement. Adding interactive filters for regions or product categories makes dashboards more insightful. Finally, neglecting performance optimization is common. Large datasets can slow dashboards if not managed properly. Use extracts instead of live connections when possible, limit unnecessary fields, and avoid complex calculations on the fly. To use Tableau effectively, clean your data, design focused dashboards, check calculated fields, enable interactivity, and optimize performance. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll transform raw data into actionable insights that drive smarter business decisions.